When you are given a passage to proofread, there are some things you must always check carefully. Your aim is to find errors and correct them clearly and correctly. First, check for spelling errors. Look for words that are wrongly spelled and correct them. Many students lose marks because of simple spelling mistakes. For example, change receive to receive, definitely to definitely, and separate to separate. Also check words like occurred, correct, occurred, government, correct, government, and which, correct, which. Always read each word carefully. Second, check for wrong verb forms in concord. Make sure the subject and verb agree and that the correct tense is used. For example, change, she go to school, to she goes to school, and the students is here, to the students are here. Also correct, he don't like food, to he doesn't like food. They was late, to they were late, and she have finished her work, to she has finished her work. Always make sure singular subjects take singular verbs and plural subjects take plural verbs. Third, check punctuation marks. Make sure full stops, commas, capital letters, and apostrophes are used correctly. For example, change let's go to school to let's go to school and add a full stop at the end of sentences. Correct where are you going to where are you going, and I went to Accra yesterday to I went to Accra yesterday. Also correct I bought rice, beans, and oil to I bought rice, beans, and oil. Good punctuation makes the passage clear. Fourth, check for missing or wrong words. Sometimes a word may be missing or wrongly used. For example, change, he discussed about the issue to he discussed the issue, and she is married with a doctor to she is married to a doctor. Also correct, he entered into the room to he entered the room, she requested for help to she requested help, and they emphasized on the point to they emphasized the point. Always make sure the correct word is used in the correct place. Fifth, check sentence, meaning, and clarity. Make sure each sentence makes sense and is easy to understand. If it is confusing, rewrite it clearly. For example, change. He told him that he should go, to Kofi told Kojo that he should go. Also correct, she saw her friend when she was running, to she saw her friend while she was running. And the boy who is playing, to the boy who is playing is my brother. Avoid incomplete or confusing sentences. When proofreading, always look out for spelling mistakes, verb and concord errors, punctuation errors, wrong or missing words, and unclear sentences. Read the passage slowly, check carefully, and correct neatly to score full marks.